Have you ever wondered how the world would be without poverty? People who are able to meet their basic needs are less vulnerable to risks. They have more access to opportunities and are able to develop their talents. Today, 15% of the world population, or 1 billion people, survive on less than $1.25 per day. To eliminate poverty, only 1% of the world's income would be enough. So little, no? Brazil has stood out in the fight against poverty and inequality through its various social programs. Among them is the Bolsa Família program, which transfers income to millions of households living in poverty and extreme poverty and helps ensure their access to education, health and social services. During almost a decade, Bolsa Família and other social inclusion initiatives have advanced and laid the foundation for a broad and coordinated poverty reduction strategy, the Brazil Without Extreme Poverty Plan. An essential tool for its implementation is the Unified Registry, a platform that gathers socioeconomic information of low-income families. The WWP, the Brazil Learning Initiative for a World Without Poverty, was created to capture and disseminate knowledge about social policies in Brazil and over time around the world. It is a partnership between the World Bank, the Ministry of Social Development and Fight Against Hunger, MDS, the Institute for Applied Economic Research, IPEA, linked to the Secretariat of Strategic Affairs, and the International Policy Center for Inclusive Growth, IPCIG, of the United Nations Development Programme, UNDP. Each partner brings its expertise to the initiative. MDS operates Bolsa Família, coordinates the Brazil Without Extreme Poverty Plan, and promotes social assistance services, productive inclusion, and food security for families living in poverty. IPEA aims to strengthen public policies in Brazil through production and dissemination of knowledge and through assistance to the state in strategic decision. UNDP's International Policy Center for Inclusive Growth facilitates South-South learning on innovative social protection experiences for the design, implementation and evaluation of policies in developing countries. The World Bank provides financial and technical assistance to developing countries with the goal of eradicating extreme poverty in the world by 2030 and boosting shared prosperity, improving the lives of the poorest 40%. The WWP seeks to disseminate good practices and policy experiences, programs and strategies to fight poverty in Brazil, promoting the exchange of knowledge between countries. Systematize the knowledge and learning of the implementation and operational aspects of the programs. Encourage discussions about innovative approaches for poverty reduction and social welfare promotion. Learn more about this initiative on our website www.org.br.